To start or stop application identity service in Windows 11 Home, right-click on Start menu icon and then select Computer Management. Next, click on Tab Services and Application drop-down menu. Select Services and then right-click on Application Identity Service. Application Identity, then right-click and then select Start to Start or select Stop to Stop. Select Start to Start or select Stop to Stop. Determines and verifies the identity of an application. Disabling the service will prevent applicant from being enforced. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.